out the candles?
Light your candles.
Come on.
It is officially midnight and Andrew is still putting together Emmy's little toy kitchen. I wish that I had shown you guys what it looked like in here before he started. What time do you think he started?
10 o'clock.
Seriously? So we're going on 2 hours. How much longer do you have left?
Not too long, maybe 30 minutes.
Seems like you've picked up momentum. This thing's going to be so cute, but my gosh, there were so many pieces. Emmy's going to love it though.
Emerson. Come here. Look at Mama. Hey, look at Mama.
Whatever you're looking at.
It's your birthday and you're going to have a birthday present, okay? Do you want to see what it is? Come here. We'll see what's in there. Come here, let's see.
Go.
Look, we'll see what's in there. Wow. Emmy, what is that? Emmers. Can you say kitchen? Do you love it? Do you love it? Wow. I should have put some food in the fridge. Hey. Look, got you lots of food toys too. Wow.
What's that?
Banana.
It's a banana. Good job. There's an ice cream cone. Happy birthday, girlfriend. Do you love it?
You are gonna have so much fun. I'm going to attempt to make this for Emerson's birthday cake. We just got a big giant cake from Costco. It's like a half sheet. It feeds 48 people and we're gonna have maybe 10 people. But isn't that so cute? I'm going to attempt this. We shall see. It turned out better than I had hoped. I'm glad that it turned out. That could have been. Happy birthday, Emmy. Is that a birthday cake?
Yeah, that would be
Don't
cute.
touch it. Ah! You gotta wait to have birthday cake.
Dude.
What do you got, Baba?
How about you?
My balloon. Whose birthday is it?
Minnie.
It's Minnie's birthday? Is it Emerson's birthday? Did you know that Mama loves you? Mama loves you very much. And I can't believe you turned 2 years old. You're such a big girl. Okay, let's go play.
Minnie Mouse.
Wow, baby.
That is the cutest thing.
Look, the heat came off.
So is Mommy.
Baby, you didn't turn the fan off.
Mommy, turn the light off.
You didn't turn the fan off.
The heat came off. Oh my goodness.
Turn the light off.
Wanna love it? Head.
Minnie Mouse. Minnie.
Oh, Minnie, how cute is that?
Look at that.
What is it?
What is that, baby?
Oh, food. All right.
Oh, your goodness.
Raincoat.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What color are they? Don't be styling. Look how cute. Are they cute? There you go.
Oh,
Yay.
how cute is it?
Beautiful.
Let's
Put
see.
it in the-
Oh, boy.
It's a bubble machine.
Oh.
For bubbles.
That's what you say thank you, Uncle Ben, and Uncle Joy. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
There.
Wait, we'll play with this later. Look what Dad has too.
Look. Oh, looky there.
Do you know what this is?
The
And what's
baby
this?
bed.
It's
The
a Lovey!
Lovey.
Can we have a mini or something?
I think he made her
Look
the
it! This is a baby
mattress
bed.
cover and a
And you can
lolly.
rock your babies.
Oh,
Here's
and
what you got put
the
in
rocking
the pillow.
chair, you can rock your baby.
And give it its lovey.
Oh, you gonna get in it? Oh, how
There
sweet.
you go. Okay, let's see you rock.
Rock your baby. There's this lovey. Oh.
You rock? Can you say thank you to everybody? Thank you, buddy. Thank you, guys. Thanks, everybody. Didn't have a
Yeah.
shot, so.
Turn sideways, Ellie. There's baby brother.
His name is Allie.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, how cute is that? It matches your dress and your boots.
It's so important.
Oh my goodness.
Look at you go, girl.
Oh, isn't that fun?
Wow.
Drop it, both.
Yeah, you're done.
There she
There she
goes.
goes. Okay, we gotta sing happy birthday. No,
Not
no,
yet.
yet. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Annie. Happy birthday to you.
Can we put out the candles?
Come on.
Go again.
Oh,
Well done, good job. Would you like a piece? Would you like to eat a piece? Okay, let's stop sticking our finger in it. Let's have a piece.
Hammers. Hammers. Look up.
Birthday cake! You are free to do that as much as you want now. Why don't you take a big bite?
He's a dainty eater.
Atta girl.
Remember, she didn't like her 1-year-old.
I'm sorry.
Oh.